Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is my review of the Profit Retriever Expert Advisor, or Forex Robot, as some people call it. Um, so this is the sales page of the Profit Retriever. It says make profits no matter which way the price moves. I've been using expert advisors and robots now for the last 4 years, and this is the best um, EA that I've ever used. I'll show you my results so far of the last 90 days. Um, and Yeah, so let's go through the sales page quickly. You can read about here, there's a lot of info here, but here you can see this is a good summary of what it does. The Profit Retriever uses the concept of adding to losing positions to dollar cost average your cost of open trade so that the smallest retracement will not only recover losses but also create a profit, hence the name Profit Retriever. Here you can see the settings. Um, if you join with my affiliate link or if you use my broker, then I'll put the links in the description below. Then I'll give you my settings, but here's the basic settings that you're going to use. Basically, there's only about 4 or 5 settings that you're going to change. There's a lot of combinations that you can use to minimize your risk. There is risk involved. If you're not greedy, this uh, Forex robot will never make a loss. And the other thing is you need a very big account. So I always try to do minimum $20,000 per a robot, but you can use the recommended is 10,000. But I like to use 20,000. If you're in the beginning and you're growing your account, then you can be more aggressive. Okay, the next thing you're going to say is where am I going to get $20,000? There's a trick that you can use whereby if you use the broker that I recommend below, you can get a cent account, and that's what I've been using because I also didn't have $20,000 to start off with. So what you do is you deposit $200, and they will turn it into account as if you are trading $20,000, and then you can load the profit retriever with your settings and then start trading with peace of mind. Um, so I just want to show you the prices and so on. There's different options here. There's a lot of Alex from Expert Forex, who's basically the creator of the Expert Advisor, has got loads and loads of videos to help you with the setup and so on. There's also videos to show you what other people have accomplished. Um, my goal is to get 8% plus per month because I can reach my financial goal by adding to my account every month, and just achieving 8% will get me to my goal within 7 years. Um, but you've got to set your own goal. So you can see you can see these bubbles. It goes into a loss and then it recovers. And that's why it retrieves the losses that it occurs if it trades in the incorrect or wrong direction. Um, so you don't have to worry about it. You just put it on, and even if it starts trading at the wrong direction, it will still recover those losses. And that's why you need a big account, because it does have big drawdowns. And unfortunately, that's also the reason why you cannot use this as in prop firms. If you were able to use, and the drawdowns were bigger than, say, 50% in prop firms, then you would have been able to use this in prop firms and then start with 100,000 real account. But unfortunately, we cannot do that. Then, if I go to the pricing, if you buy it outright for the first time for new clients, it's 450,000, $450. and it's once off. I've seen many expert advisors that you pay monthly fees. This one is once off, and it's yours for life, and you get upgrades and more. If you pay crypto, it's only $300. If you this is your second part you buy from Expert Forex, then it's only $225. YouTube subscribers get also a discount. But the base price is if you're a premium forum member. They've got an excellent forum that you can join. It's about $40 per month. So I recommend join the forum and then buy the robot. And then you'll only pay $180, and all other robots that they bring out, you'll also get a 60% discount. But I think this will be your last or one of your last robots you ever need. So that's a sales page. Then let me show you my results so far. I first tested it for a couple of months on a demo account, or I first did test on the robot, then I put it on demo account to forward test. I first did back testing, and then I put it on a live account. Here's my FX Blue account. FX Blue is a third party website where you load your MT4 details, and then they pull all the details. Unbelievable, all the detail that they can get from here. I started with $250. I got a bonus of $250 as well. So that's why there's a big difference between my equity and balance, because it's a 25,000 bonus. But this only gets placed into my account as soon as I've done a certain number of trades. And you can see my current profit and loss. You can see my profit so far. And you can see here it's a real account. I'll also put the link of the FX Blue account, of this account, in the description below. You can see I've been trading for 90 days exactly today. And these include weekends. This also works on crypto, but it's very aggressive with crypto. So I don't. You need to do your testing first before you go into crypto with this robot. But you can see I've done 195% so far in 90 days. And there's more stats, what have you. So I just want to go to my live account so that you can see. I'm going to try and explain to you how it works. You can see the profit retriever is loaded onto this chart. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's a little bit more than my normal rule, but because I've got a balance of 136,000, so it's 1 per 20,000. So I've got one too many actually. I loaded US dollar jab today, but so I'm a little bit aggressive, but I don't have to be because I'm far over my goal. But you can see how our trades. Let me just go a little bit back. So it start trading after you put the settings in. You get trading, start trading, and you can see it was trading the wrong way. So it was buying. So it works on a grid system whereby it opens up a trade. In your settings, you say every, say, 20 pips, it must open a trade. So it opens up a trade every 20 pips, but it's trading as soon as it starts with a direction, say buys, it will buy the whole time until it closes, and then it will reevaluate and say, okay, buy or sell, depending on the moving average that you set as well. So here it's trading in the wrong direction. So it's going down, down, and it's going up. It's just buying you can see it going, it's buying every 20 pips. It's buying, opening up a position. But you can see I've set it to start at 0.5 pips, and then, or lots, and then it increases. You can see it increases. Here I think I put it at 120% increase, and then from here it's 103 or 105%. It increases the lot sizes as it goes down. So, And then here you can see is a reversal, but the reversal, that line there is my break even, or not break even, my profit, or the way it wants to make a profit. You also can set the profit. I've set it at 150%. So, and then the chart goes up and then it closes. As soon as it makes 150%, it closes all these positions, and it opens up a new position, and yet it was a minus. So yeah, it went up again, also in the wrong direction, and then went down, and then it closes those two positions, and that is that red or pink line is the profit, or the target. And here it was trading sideways. Here it was also trading the wrong way. Then it came down, it cashed in, and then it changed the position to a bias, and here it went in the right direction. Um, Let me just go forward, and here you can see it went the wrong direction again, but it's still the more it goes down in the wrong direction, this line just goes down, so it just comes closer to, as soon as there's a retracement, it comes closer to the take profit. So there it reached the take profit, and it cashed in all those positions in one go, and there's a profit. I can't really see what it was, but you can see the profit it made. It went in the right direction, 101, $99 profit, and then it's trading. So this is the today's trading, the 14th of July. Let me just see if I can move this up so you can see. So here it's trading in the wrong direction again. Here's my profit. If I just going to open here, as soon as it reaches that position there, as soon as it goes up to there, then it will be a profit of $392. At the moment, I'm at minus 5,000. So now you can see why you need a big account, because it can go in huge drawdowns. But it will also always work out to make a profit, because even if this goes even lower, it will open up just more and more positions, and this line will come down, the profit line. And as soon as there's a retracement and it reaches that line there, it will cash in all these positions. So far, there's 11 positions open. So yeah, I hope that is I've explained it, so that you can understand it, or just even if you just understand half of it and you buy this and you go through all Alex's videos, he explains it very well, much better than I do. He's got about 12 videos on the profit retriever EA. He's got many other EAs as well. On his playlist, you'll see all the videos of each EA there, but this is his latest EA and the best EA ever. I think he's been making EAs for the last 20 years, and he even said that this is the last, or the best EAs ever made. But yeah, if you just look at my results, then that is should be enough proof to you. And I've seen even much better results from the forum members. These guys that are making 300% in 1 month. It's crazy, but okay, then you've got to be much more aggressive, and you've got to know what you're doing. This, like the way I've set it now, I can just set it and forget it, and just leave it. And as the account grows, I just add robots to this until my broker doesn't allow me to have too many trades open. Then I'll open up another account in the same broker, and then just continue building my account like that. So yes, I highly recommend the Profit Retriever. I hope you check it out. I'll put my link, my affiliate link, in the description below. That will take you to the sales page, and then you've got the different options how you choose to join or how to buy the Profit Retriever. But also, yeah, there's a free forum as well that you can join, as well as the paid forum. But the paid forum obviously shows much more details, and there's also preset set files for the Profit Retriever that you can use for different instruments and Forex, commodities, well, not commodities, sorry, um, like gold and silver, you can, and crypto. There's different settings for each different product that you can use it for. So yes, I hope this gives you some insight into the profit retriever, and I hope to see you on the inside. If you join, then obviously I'll also help you um, with my. I'm willing to share my settings that I'm using to get my results that I'm getting, and yeah, I'll help you get started. So yes, thank you very much for watching. If this video was any help to you, please give us a thumbs up, and I'll give regular updates on the profit retriever and my results. So please join my subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yes, thank you very much. Bye bye.